Are you a new business owner that is overwhelmed with the process of how to create business credit? I'm sure that you keep hearing about you need to have your net 30, net 60s, net 90s. But I understand too that you probably don't know when, how, and how long you have to keep these accounts. Guys, I'm going to take the guesswork out of the equation. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you 5 steps that are going to put your business credit building and autopilot in the next 4 months. Let's roll.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
All right, guys, so building business credit. This is almost like an urban legend, right? A lot of people hear about it, but they don't know how to. And I understand because 76% of Americans don't even know how the personal credit looks in the credit bureaus, yet alone in the business. This is why almost 97% of all businesses fail in the first 3 years, and it's because of the lack of capital. So this is why your business credit is essential. I understand that anytime that we start a business, because I did it too, and I'm sure that you're going through the same situation. You bootstrap it, you use your savings, you use your own personal credit and your own hard-earned cash. But guys, it is time for you to learn the game. This is the business building credit game, in which you need to develop the foundation in order for you to get what we call corporate credit. Corporate credit is what's going to allow you not to have to be a PG or personal guarantor for your own business. And that's what I want to do. But what I'm going to do is today, I know I always talk to you about all the compliance items, and let's just remind you one more time, because I want to make sure that that's engraved in your head and it's embedded in there, and you make sure that you get them done. You need to have your business, obviously. You need to be filed with the state, Secretary of the State. Remember, LLC, S Corp, C Corp, not a sole proprietorship. You will not be treated as a business. Sole proprietorship, you will need to use your own personal credit. You need to get an EIN. You need to get a business address. You need to get a business number, be filed in the 401, get a business account, bank account, checking account, and make sure that you get a website and an email. Guys, just little things that we could help you. In the bottom of this video, I'm going to put a link in which I'm going to give you a free business success camp. Check it out. See if you have all the compliance items and go from there. We'll talk to you a little more if you want our help. We could definitely coach you on that, but it's entirely up to you. Get the free business success camp and go with it. Now, what I'm going to do now next, I'm going to show you my 5 first steps. This is something that I did and I put together for myself, but I want to give you my blueprint. I want to help you, because I need you to know that there are 5 steps that you can take in the next minutes after this video, in which are going to help you to autopilot your business credit building in the next 4 months. Let's go, guys. All right, guys, so let's first start with the least one that I like out of the 5. So I'm going to go from the least to the best, the one that I'll advise you to now. Once we get off from this video, I need you to go there and get the service. And once again, I'm not affiliated with any of this system, so I'm just gonna put the link there if you guys want to go ahead and Google and go there. But this is just my advice on how you can start building your business credit and autopilot in the next 4 months, guys. So the first one that we're going to talk about is Red Spectrum. Red Spectrum, if you go, make sure that you go to the site, which is the redspectrum.com. It's not Red Spectrum, and Red Spectrum is also another company that offers, I believe it's technology. But anyway, so let's continue with this. Red Spectrum will report to Equifax and CreditSafe. Now, some of the products, they have a lot of products here, and in which they help you with your logo design, your web design. They also help you list your business. And some other websites that they have, and they even help you create your marketing for an ebook or even create an ebook. But the one that we are going to talk about is called the Credit Business Builder. So the Credit Business Builder, it is going to cost you, if you see over here on my screen, it is going to cost you about $54 a month, and it's going to be a $99 sign-up fee. Now, the goal with here is that they will report this Tradeline to all Equifax and CreditSafe as a Tradeline that is being paid monthly, which will start creating and developing your business credit with the credit bureau, especially with those two, CreditSafe and Equifax. Just keep in mind that Equifax is one of the main three. Now, CreditSafe is one of the smallest bureaus for the business side, but it is also required. And it's also a foundation part when you really want to start going for business lending, in the sense that you want to get loans, SBA, and all the type of loans that you will need for your business. So these little things is something that you need to start doing consistently. This will help you. They will report. Now you click there, it is going to take you to their site. And I believe it's, you just got to put in your name and so on. And obviously I was playing around with it, but I don't want this twice. You just want to be able to once. So this is, I think I did one. So your total price at once will be half of this, which I believe is going to be about 137 or 109. Yes, 109. And then will be, remember, it'll be $54 a month and then $99 a setup fee. Now, guys, this is the least favorite that I advise you to get, but it will help you start creating that business credit or that business straight line that needs to be reporting to at least Equifax and CreditSafe, so we can start creating some foundation. All right, guys, so you guys probably heard of Credit Strong. Now, Credit Strong has a personal site that helps you not only develop personal business credit, but also has the business side. That's the one we're gonna focus on. Now, Credit Strong will report to Equifax, PayNet, and Experian. So again, this is from the least to the best. So this is my fourth choice right here. So now, guys, I want to go ahead and show you that how does it work. So the way it works is actually you open an account with them, and the way it is, it's a savings account that will report a certain amount a month to the credit bureaus, but at the same time, the money that you pay in is going to become a savings account for you that you are able to withdraw in the future. Now, with a small fee, they will also take a small fee by doing this and helping you out. So the way it works, and let me show you the pricing plans. Some of the things you do is you pay no interest. You build up at a $10,000 commercial credit, lowest payments, no interest, and 100% every month payment builds your savings. So anything that you put in there is going to not only report, but it's going to report that $10,000 credit line, but at the same time, they will save that money with a small fee that they'll take for actually doing all of this. And then you'll be able to withdraw in the future. Now, let me show you some of the pricings. Let's go to the pricing so you can see a little more in depth. So the way it works, and okay, so let's view the plans. So plans will be okay, so we have over here. So the plan. So you actually have the ability to be able to start saving $2,500. And what they do is you make a payment monthly of $100, one-time fee of $349, and so on. So, and you have the option also going to the $5,000 and the $10,000 monthly payment, or the $10,000 plan. Now, this will report. This is almost like a savings account for your business. Something that you want to put in the bank for later on, but at the same time, help you build the business credit that you want. Again, not one of my favorites, but this is something that if you want to start putting some money away, but at the same time building the business credit, is a great option, because there's nothing else out there that actually has this service. And they will report to, once again, to Equifax, PayNet, and Experian. All right, guys, so let's go to the third one. All right, guys, so this is the third one, from least to best. I mean, NAP. You heard NAP. NAP is mainly a reporting service. I have a hate-love relationship with them, but they have some good things that they will provide for you. What I don't like is they do too much marketing, spend marketing. A lot of companies that are not really suitable to lend you credit. But again, that is just my opinion. You may find it completely different. But what I do love about them is that not only they help you. If you see in my screen, they have about 3 different options. You can get the free one and start reporting into your business, but you don't get all the utilities that come with the software. You get the business manager, in which you could find a lot of the new things. But the two that I want to focus on is in the Business Boost and the Business Loan Builder. Now, these two right here, the $39.99, the $49.99, now not only will give you all the tools that you see here. Now they report to Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax, but that trade line, whatever you pay to Dun & Bradstreet, will also report to all three of them as a trade line. So not only you getting a monitoring system for your bureaus, but at the same time, it will help you start building credit. Something that I'm going to tell you is that Equifax website for business is down. It's been down since COVID. So there's no way you can actually go to the site and actually do some type of credit monitoring for that specific bureau. So what they even advise you is to go to NAV. NAV is the one that's able to actually work with them. So for some reason, they just became the site to go to for Equifax. So I mean, after talking to them, that's what I did, and creating business credit for different companies. That's what we find out. Some of the things you see, look, you could go over here. There's so many benefits to this. They give you options. They partner you with the place, or they partner you with different lenders, depending on your file, and see how you look. But at the same time, the business loan building will help you not only prepare your file if what you're looking for is getting lending in the future. So again, NAV is my third choice. And again, you could get either the business boost for $39.99 or the business loan builder for $49.99. And this will also report to the credit bureaus, all three, as a trade line, and it will help you build your business credit. All right, guys, so let's talk about one of my favorite ones. It's called eCredible. So for that, you definitely need to go to business.ecredible.com. So don't worry about it. I'm still going to put the link in the video and in the bottom, just for you guys to be able to go to them. And again, once again, I'm not affiliated with any of this. I just want to make sure that you guys get some benefits. Now, one of the things that I love about this is it's very inexpensive. All you need to do is to set up $49.99. And it's $9.95. The great thing about this is, guess what? Look, reports to Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, Credit Saving, Experian. This is the 4 pillars that I always teach that you need for your business credit in order to start building that foundation of a corporate credit. So one of the things that you need to understand is that you can link all your accounts, just like some of the services that you see on the personal side. You can link all your business accounts to utilities, to some of the things that you use, like the ClickFunnels, everything that you may use for marketing, social media, cell phone or line. So even you have remember what I tell you, always get a VoIP system, voice over the internet protocol, or a business line that you could get over the internet. Well, guess what? That can actually be put in here as a trade line that reports to all 4 credit bureaus. And it's amazing, guys. One of the things too is, like, if you have a credit line or even a credit card that's not reporting, they will actually go through it, and they will, if you pay them $24.95 one time, they will actually start reporting that line, because they have all this drop down of all the credit or the trade lines that are able to report. If you find one that is not there, they can also help you out for a one-time fee, and they'll start reporting it for you. Guys, I will tell you, if you can do anything else or the other 3, as soon as we finish this video, go to business.ecredible.com and start reporting every credit line that you have available. This will help you. This will help you to start building your credit foundation in autopilot. All right, guys, let's go to the best one that I'll advise all of you. Let's go. All right, guys, number 1, we're here. You're gonna go to bizcreditcentral.com. Now, they are the best for me and what I think. So, eCredible and Biz Credit Central are like right there for me. But I'd rather go as number 1 for Biz Credit Central, is because it is very simple. They have 4 plans, make it easier for you. Not only, all you do is pay very inexpensively. You pay $11.99 a month. They report a net 30. To main thing that they report is to Dun & Brad, but they will start building your credit in the monthly basis. What you get is you get no phone with the actual essential. But as you go up and you go all the way to the platinum, they report for you at least $5,000. They get a 90 days net 30, but you also get free hours of coaching on the phone. And what they do is they help you and they give you tips and tools on how to build your business credit in all 3 credit bureaus, not only Dun & Bradstreet. So this is very essential. I mean, you could scale from essential to the silver. You see you get $2,500 for $19.95. For $29.95, you get $3,500. And then for the $39.95, then you get $5,000. Entirely up to you. It's very easy and inexpensive. And guess what? it is in autopilot. This is what I want for you. I want you to create. I want you to start separating your personal business from your personal credit. All right, guys, we got to the end. Hey, thank you for being here with us. Thank you for actually tuning in. Once again, my name is Carlos Estrada. I am the Credit Assassin. This is the Credit Assassin's channel, guys. Look, if this is your first time, do not forget to go ahead and subscribe. Click on the bell icon, click on all. Give it a thumbs up, but do not forget to go ahead and give us a comment. Let us know how we did, how we can improve this for you. But share it. If you found this very valuable, share it with somebody else that can also benefit. Once again, look, if you want to get your free business success can, just go on the bottom of the video. There's going to be a link there. Get your free business success can. Find out if your business is meeting all the compliance items that you need today in order to be able to actually get the lending that you need today and tomorrow. So guys, hey, once again, thank you for your time. This is the channel that you're going to learn all about business credit, business lending, how to invest your money in real estate and other investments. All right, guys, so see you in the next video. Let's roll.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I tell you get big bucks, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them?